I officially have crossed 150 episodes. That means कि अब officially मैं खुद को पूछ रही हूँ, how do I get better at this? How do I invite more people to this? So if you like any of my episode, don't forget to hit the like, leave some comments, keep sharing my episode with your friends, and let me know if there's a specific video you want me to make it as a repeat or as a series. The only series currently going on my podcast episodes is Life in Between, where I talk about monthly wrap-ups, क्या हुआ पूरे महीने में, and where am I and what am I doing, and everything fun and casual. So just let me know. I appreciate your support so far. If there's anything you want me to talk on or chat about, I'm always open to some feedbacks. Thank you. Yeah. हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति. आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज जुलाई जैम्स. आई एम होपिंग टू अपलोड न्यू एपिसोड एवरी सिंगल डे at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That is if I can catch up with recording and writing. I'm currently living in Mumbai. I'm 31. I do not have a job. I'm living on gratitude and gossip. Humble हूँ बट चुटकी भर घमंड के साथ. Yes. आज है सैटरडे. कल है संडे को no episodes. I'll be back on Monday. It gives me some time to read and write. Let's start today's episode about colors because I'm excited about this one. I recently found myself, diving into the world of colors. Like I got a few colorful pieces in my recent haul, and ये basically sale चल रहा था, end of season sale चल रहा है सब जगह, and of course you have to buy something, and I invested in a few pieces. I used to be the girl who would love loud colors at some point, and these loud colors were like screaming neon in your face colors, and then eventually I understood कि quiet luxury किस चिड़िया का नाम है, what quiet luxury looks and feels like. So personally for me, maybe wearing loud colors was my way of inviting people's attention and come chat with me, come break the ice, something like that. Me being not secure and needing more validation. My quiet luxury era, I think, started around 2018 when I moved back to India, and eventually I started wearing more of black, grays and blues. I guess I should thank Instagram, because after playing dress up on Instagram for quite some time, creating content, a striking color stood out the most for everybody, especially like big people in my life who commented. My mom and my nanny, my grandma, they both were like, bottle green is your color, whatever you wear, this is your color, this looks great. And I've found myself often being complimented whenever I wear a green. For as long as I can remember, I've loved the color blue green, like a beautiful sea green mixture of blues and greens. It was almost like turquoise Tiffany color for a hot minute there, but I also loved greens, and you mix the blues and the greens together and you get this seafoamish color, which is just a beautiful shade, like a beautiful shade. I think the entire shade card of blues and greens is I find it very rich and beautiful, and in some way calming for my earth sign. Like I love the woody earthy tones, but then I also love the lush greenery growing on earth, and walking through the park while it is raining, and it's just calming and soothing to my soul. And then there are shades like red, powerful, fiery, seductive, often used to seduce people, dominate people, show your dominance, represent health, vitality, and love and anger as well. Apparently दोनों एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं, love and anger. I never owned a red dress or even a red shirt or a t-shirt, whatever. As soon as I think of a red dress, this image from this iconic movie Kal Ho Na Ho comes up. Nice tie, nice dress. And both the FMC and MMC, both of them end up returning the dress and the tie because the date goes horrible. Like if you remember, you remember. If not, just go watch the movie. It's the Indian version of The Fault in Our Stars, but the adult version hai ye. Only recently that I've realized a much associated color with woman is pink, but I have never worn or owned that color. Apparently, besides red, this was another color that was often associated with a woman, but I don't have it. I don't own it. I don't have a bone in my body that says, oh, she likes pinks, or oh, she look good in pink. I don't have it. I don't have that femme. I'm not, I've never felt that feminine side of me ever. I don't know how or why, or even when some humans like somewhere decided कि यार okay, pink is for women, blue is for man. And then I decided to rebel at the end of the day and I chose blue. But this still got me spiraling as an adult कि भाई why? Like who the fuck decided कि ये pink है तो लड़की है, blue है तो लड़का है? I mean, every human, as we all were had babies at some point, and every baby is soft, tiny, squishy, pinkish flush of goofball. We all are that. We were all of that at some point, and no boy was born with repping dumbbells in his arms, showing their masculinity. Ki bhai main mard hu. So why is blue for boy and pink for girl? Of course, I had a lot of time in hand, so I googled it. Historically, colors didn't always have gender specific meaning like they do today. In fact, 20th century के पहले pink and blue का कोई association ही नहीं है gender के साथ. Pink was considered as a shade of red, which red means कि आप strong, vibrant हो, so it was quite suitable for boys. And blue on the other hand was seen as delicate and dainty, which made it appropriate for girls. So by 1940s आया ना, तो वो कलर एसोसिएशन फ्लिप हो गया completely. तो कुछ ऐसे थेरी है कि दिस चेंज वॉज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द ग्रोइंग पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ फ्रेंच फैशन. या फ्रेंच लोगों ने किया है ये सब कांड, ठीक है. सो दे स्टार्टेड ड्रेसिंग गर्ल्स इन पिंक एंड बॉयज़ इन ब्लू, एंड समवेयर ये चल गया. मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बननी चालू हो गई. सब कंपनी सॉलिडली वो लोग बेचने लगे ये और मार्केटिंग करने लगे. एडवर्टाइजिंग बहुत हो गया इसका, एंड समवेयर ये दे सॉलिडिफाइड दीज कलर एसोसिएशंस थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट बेसिकली. सो व्हाट डज दिस मीन फॉर अस टुडे? आज के तारीख में क्या इसका मतलब होता है? इट इज़ जस्ट अ रिमाइंडर कि कलर्स वी चूज़ टू वेयर शुड रिप्रेजेंट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ हु वी आर, नॉट वॉट सोसाइटी इज़ एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम अस. वेदर यू लव अ वाइब्रेंट रेड, calming green, or even the softest of the soft pink, let your wardrobe be a reflection of you and not what society thinks you should wear, okay? With just remember this. I hope that this little dive into the history of color, gives you something to think about. Maybe I'll inspire you to add a new shade in your wardrobe, or maybe this is the time to question the other norms that we have accepted. जो already हम सोच रहे कि ये normal है, पर actually कभी normal था ही नहीं है, हमने बस accept कर लिया आग बंद करके. Maybe this is the time to give it a second thought. I hope you binge watch all the episodes that I have already on my podcast. Let me know your thoughts, feedbacks, if there's anything in specific that you'd like me to chat about, touch bases on. Yeah, just let me know. This is Aditi. I'm signing off. I'll see you on Monday. Ta-ta. Bye-bye.